हेलो एवरीवन। नूतन वर्ष की सभी को ढेरों सारी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। My name is Aishwarya and welcome to my YouTube channel Statistics Made Easy. Today we will be discussing about the most important functions, most powerful functions in Excel. That is left, right, find, search and length. Okay, these functions when used in a combined manner will ease your task in a matter of few seconds. They will save your time also. Now, I will list out some scenarios. Well, there are a lot of scenarios, but I'm going to list two scenarios in which I have worked in my real life. Now, considering the first scenario, in the first scenario, we have one column. In that column, we have first name, last name, first name, last name, first name, last name. Like considering my name, Aishwarya Borkar, or something like random, take any random name, Robin Peterson. Okay, so the task is to you need to add all the first names in one column and all the surnames in another column. Okay, this is our task. And of course, here delimiter is space. Okay, considering the next scenario. Next scenario is like in a school, we have the data like we have the roll numbers, hyphen, and we have student's name. Roll number, hyphen, student's name. ओके सो हमें इसमें क्या करना है, हमें पहले कॉलम में सभी रोल नंबर्स आने चाहिए एंड सेकेंड कॉलम सभी स्टूडेंट्स के नाम आने चाहिए. ओके और इधर यहाँ पे डेलीमीटर क्या है, यहाँ पे डेलीमीटर इज अवर हाइफन. ओके एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू विल टेल मी दैट यहाँ पे तो टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम हम लोग कर सकते हैं. टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम में हम डेलीमीटर स्पेसिफाई कर देंगे और वो हमें डेटा उसके अकॉर्डिंगली कॉलम सबमिट करके आ जाएंगे. बट व्हाट इफ दिस इज ओनली एप्लीकेबल व्हेन योर डेटा इज स्टेशनरी. जब भी आपका डेटा जो है वो स्टेशनरी है, वो डायनामिक नहीं है, तभी हम टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम यूज कर सकते हैं. बट व्हाट इफ योर डेटा इज डायनामिक, मतलब कि एक गूगल फॉर्म है, वो गूगल शीट से कनेक्टेड है, कोई गूगल फॉर्म भर रहा है और वहां का डेटा गूगल शीट में ऐड हो रहा है. ओके, कंसिडरिंग दैट one person is filling the Google form and his name is appearing in the Google sheet. Now you want his name to be separated into two different columns, like his first name to be in the first name column and his last name, that is his surname, must be in another column. So in such cases, using these functions in a combined manner, these only 5 functions, you need to master these 5 functions. आपको ये 5 functions master करने हैं, तभी आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो इस सब सिनेरियोस में. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे सिनेरियोस है, तो ये जो वाला है डायनामिक चीज, ये हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. बट आज हम ये 5 फंक्शंस को मास्टर कर लेंगे. So without any further ado, let's get started. We will take one example. Okay. Ganymede. You must guys must be knowing about Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system, and of course, it's the moon of Jupiter. तो Ganymede है. अभी हमारा जो पहला फंक्शन है, coming back to our first function, left. What does left do? It extracts the characters from the left side of the text. What is our text? Text is Ganymede, right? So we will define the function with an equal to sign left. Now, always check the arguments, guys. How many arguments does left function take? Text and number of characters. So what is our text? Text is Ganymede. And number of characters. Like, now if I specify 4, then it must give me GANY. Alright, it gave me the exact answer GANY. Okay. So the user must specify how many number of characters he want to extract from the left side of the text. That is our left function. Okay, simple till now. Same like left, we have right. What does right function do? It extracts its characters from the right side of the text. Now it writes right. What is our text? Check the arguments. Ganymede. Now if you add 4, Medi. So it has extracted 4 characters from the right side of the text. So right side 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got it. Now len. It gives us the number of characters in the text. You needn't to count manually. Now here it is like GANYMED. No, don't do that. Just specify the text. Only one argument it takes, len. So there are 8 characters in the text called as Ganymede. Okay. Till now 3 functions are so simple. Okay. Now comes the find and search. These functions are very important because whenever you are, now I told you that we will be using them in a combined manner. So to find the delimiters, to extract the characters before the delimiter and after the delimiter, we need to use this find and search function. Usually search function is used. Why it is used? Now we will get back to this. Find search. Now सब लोग ये सोचते हो कि find and search तो same ही function करते हैं, but इसमें एक difference है. There is one difference. What that difference is? Let us check this out. Fine. Now find. How many arguments does it take? 3 arguments. Find text, within text, start number. Start number is optional. Start number is from which character it wants to begin the search. So it by default it is 1. So from starting it will begin the search. That is optional. Find text. Find text. Now suppose I want to find y. I want to find y. So basically find and search, what they do, they return as the position of that particular subtext, that particular character. Okay. Now if I want to find the position of y, from where? Within text is from where? Can you make? 4. Okay. So y is present at the 4th position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I will do the same thing here. Search. I want to find y. Oh, sorry. Want to find y from where? From Ganymede. Uh-oh. Yes, both are yielding the same output. Then what is the difference? The difference is about the case sensitivity. Now see, fine. If I write capital Y, oh, it's a value error. Now if I do the same thing in search, oh, so you are getting what is the difference? Yes, friends, find is case sensitive and search is insensitive. You add capital, small character from means whatever the position you want to find of that particular character in the text. You specify it as capital or small, it doesn't matter in search. It is neutral. But you need to be very specific in the find function. Okay. So this was all about today's video. I hope you like this video. Please make share, like and share and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. I will be bringing a lot of interesting videos based on statistics, Excel, Python, and much more. Okay. So see you next time. Till then, happy Diwali, happy New Year. Goodbye.